subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo launched its new affordable 5G phone under Y series in India called Vivo Y28. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y28 5G features a 6.56-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate and up to 840 nits of peak brightness support. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6020 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4, 6, or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Vivo Y28 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 15 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 13 based on FunTouch OS 13 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.74 by 75.43 by 8.1 millimeters, and it weighs around 186 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y28 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 13,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 15,499 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 16,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in crystal purple and glitter aqua color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y28 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.